Welcome back to the Computer Hub. Today I'll be covering an update that is to be released soon by Microsoft in Windows 11. The feature has the ability to restore the apps from the previous version of Windows when logged into one's Microsoft account via the Microsoft Store with just one click. When visiting the Library section of the Microsoft Store, a new option will appear showing the apps previously associated with the logged-in Microsoft account. Users will then have the option to click Restore All to restore all of these apps on the new installation of Windows 11 or select the individual apps they wish to install. Opposite from the current versions whereby one goes on to select the apps to reinstall. While this will not install standalone desktop applications, such as Microsoft Office, Steam, Photoshop, etc., but it will allow you to quickly get your new installation up and running. In addition to the Restore Apps feature, Microsoft will also soon add the ability to install apps directly from a search in the Windows 11 Start menu, as it's common to use the Windows Start menu to search for apps to launch. If that app is not installed, users will be able to install it directly from Windows Search without accessing the Microsoft Store. These sort of update will be a great deal in this new operating system and shall be the first version of Windows to install apps directly from Windows Search. For these and many other tech updates, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.